MiCareerQuest is a multi-industry career exploration event. So we have 4 different industries that come together to show students what it's like to have a career in one of these industries. The entire event is really about exposing students to careers they may never have heard about before. We really want to change perceptions.
We have great occupations within all of our industries that can be viable and just as fantastic as being a doctor or lawyer can be. It really started because Michigan Works saw that there was a need for students to see careers and career opportunities. What if we collaborate on a level far beyond anything that we've ever done before?
MiCareerQuest intentionally is a different experience. It's designed for the students to interact with employers in a way that they can touch and see and experience the day-to-day job that they might encounter if they pursued that occupation. I think it's important for the community in the region to support our economic viability in West Michigan. These sectors are all high-growth, high-wage opportunities. This is a very influential time in students' lives, and quite frankly, the opportunities are limitless right now.
I cannot get 9,000 students into my company alone, but what I can do is collaborate with my peers and with my competitors and with my educators, and I can showcase in a way that's far beyond anything that I can do as an individual.
MiCareerQuest is employer-driven, and so that means that we need businesses to come to the table to say, we're willing to give our time, we're willing to give our people the opportunity to work with students. We're willing to bring our equipment in, and we're willing to help fund this event. Every single dollar that's raised is out of the kindness of the businesses that come to the table, and so without them, this event wouldn't exist.
This is something that is totally different. It's not a trade show, it's not a science fair, it's a way for a student to see a career in a totally different light. And quite frankly, our employees that get to go to this experience and engage with students come away more energized and excited about their own career because they've just had a student go, wow, you get to do that every day? And they go, oh, yeah, I do get to do this every day, and it's cool.